Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build an amazing infinite scroll UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create the component that you see on your screen right now. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a container for our infinite scroll component. We'll add a margin to ensure it doesn't stick to the edges. Next, we'll add a flexbox layout to center our content vertically and horizontally. We'll now use a grid layout with a gap and padding inside a rounded, shadowed box. This will hold our scrollable items. Let's add our first image using the placehold.coapi. We'll wrap it in a div with overflow hidden to ensure it stays within bounds. Below the image, we'll add a text description centered using the text center class. We'll repeat the process to add a second image and its description. This demonstrates how the grid layout can accommodate multiple items. Adding a third image and description, we continue to build our component. The grid layout adapts seamlessly. Finally, let's add a fourth image and description to complete our initial setup for the infinite scroll component. To simulate infinite scrolling, you can dynamically load more images as the user scrolls. For now, we've added a fifth image to illustrate the concept. Adding a sixth image, you can see how the component continues to expand. This is the essence of infinite scrolling. With a seventh image, our component is now quite extensive. This demonstrates the power of the grid and flexbox in Tailwind CSS. Finally, with an eighth image, our component is complete. You can dynamically load more images as needed to achieve infinite scrolling. With a ninth image, you can see how easily this component can be extended. Infinite scrolling is a great way to display large amounts of content. With a 10th image, our component is now fully populated. You can continue to add more images as needed. Congratulations! You've just built an infinite scroll UI component using Tailwind CSS. We covered how to structure our HTML, style it with Tailwind classes, and use placeholder images. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.